Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own bag toppers using your Cricut and Cricut Design Space. Now, I don't have any bag toppers, die cuts, or anything like that, and I just didn't want to buy any, so I figured I would try to make some. Now, I was trying to make some, and I just couldn't come up with anything. And I guess I was trying to make them kind of like the die cuts that are out being sold. But then I decided to look on YouTube to see if there was others that was doing it, and I found one by Tamika at Scrap the World video, where she showed how to she make her bag toppers on her Cameo. So when I watched her video, I kind of figured out how to do it on my Cricut. So I'm going to show you how to do it with using shapes that I have in my images for my Cricut. So first I'm going to go to images, and let me see, I'm going to do filter because I'm just going to look from my images and uh, free and purchased. Now I'm also going to actually look for shapes by actually typing in the search window, like I'm going to do one of the butterfly. So, but first I'm going to look for shapes. I actually, you know what? I chose that, so I'm going to go ahead and type in square. And I want a square shape. Now, you could go to shapes and use the square, but I want to use the shapes from here because I want my corners to be rounded. So, now if I get my image to open up, I know my computer's being slow right now. Okay, so we're going to use that one. And let's try, I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a couple of different ones. I'm going to type in oval. And I'm going to show you how to make one with the something similar to the metal dies. Now I'm going to be looking for a scalloped oval that's in here. Again, I don't know, my computer's being slow right now, so give me just a minute. Maybe I can just click on it. And oval. It's basic. I need one that's going to be scalloped. Just oval furnish frame. Oh, okay, they popped open. Alright, where is it? This one right here. Gonna use that one, and then we're gonna type in butterfly. Now this gives you an idea on different shapes that you want to try, and I'm going to use this one. Now it's 3 layers here, but I'm only going to use 2 of them. So now I'm going to click insert. Okay, I'm going to spread these out. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup these and move them apart. I'm not going to need them because it's square corners. I don't want this, I mean the square corners, yeah, right. And we're going to ungroup this, and I'm only going to keep, let me see, I think it's this I'm going to keep. That's the pink, and that one. I'm going to get rid of this one because it's actually same shape as this one. You're not going to be, you know, so I don't need that one. Okay, now first I'm going to right click it and we're going to duplicate it. I'm going to move this out because I'm going to be using this. We're going to unlock this because I'm going to make this a different shape. And this piece is going to be like the opening on the back toppers. Let's move that. Now I'm going to bring this one back in, and we're going to unlock it, and then we're going to move this out of the way, and we're going to move this up, and got it unlocked. And I'm not going to give you any particular size, because you can make this any size you want, depending on what size bag you're putting on. I'm just basically giving you the gist of how to make them. So got it kind of overlapping the butterfly, and let's see, make it a little, no, yeah, that's good. And then we're going to choose both of them to let them. I just dragged it, those open over that to select both of them. Then we're going to choose to align, and we're going to choose to center, the center horizontally. Okay, now we're going to choose to weld those two pieces together. And then you got one piece. Now we're going to take this piece and we're going to center it. Now this is when you can size this any way you want it, and we're going to actually need to move it forward. Up. Let's move it to the front. And then I'm going to adjust it. I don't think I want it that big. Okay, and now we're going to open that. But I'm just going to leave it that much space from the top. And then we're going to select both of them. We're going to click Align to again, center horizontally, and then we're going to click Slice. Okay, and that takes that out. Keep that because you're going to use it for the other ones, and you can take this one out, and you can either keep it if you're going to make another one or delete it. Alright, so now we're going to duplicate this piece, and then that second piece we're going to clip over here, flip, and we're going to clip it vertical. And then you're going to move that up, and again you're going to kind of like overlap this just a little bit. And then we're going to select both these pieces, and then going to again align, center horizontally, and then we're going to weld. And there's your piece. Now we're going to have to put in a score line to fold it. I'm going to go to Shapes, go to Score Line. Okay, and then we're going to choose this. We're going to turn it 90 degrees, or you can just click up there to turn it 90 degrees, but I just usually do it this way. It's not straight. Okay, and again we're going to just select both, and this time we click Align. We're going to click on to center. It's going to center it all in the middle. Now it's not quite straight, you can tell when I look at that line. So let's go. Okay, straight. Now I'm gonna make it longer, and then we're going to select again for all of them, and we're going to again click Align to center, and there's your piece. And gotta click them both again, and so that it stays together, you're going to attach. And there's your back top that you cut right there. Now I'm gonna try cutting these out because I've made some, but I haven't cut any yet. Well, before we do that, we're going to make another one. Let's move that over there. Oh, I'm gonna go back to this butterfly. Now this is going to go over this. Now I gotta move it forward. And this is going to be your mat piece. Now of course if you want to mat the back, when you fold it in half, you have to cut this twice. but that's what that's going to look like. Alright, so let's go ahead and group all that so we can move it out the way. And just move it over here. Alright, now we're going to do one with an oval piece. Okay, now with this one we're just going to turn it at 90 degrees. Okay, and then we're going to choose a shape. We're going to choose a circle. Now this one you're going to have to eyeball to get it center. Alright, unlock it so you can change the shape of it. And just gonna kind of like move it and put it in the middle. That depends on how big you want your handles. Like I said, I'm not making this any particular size. I'm just basically showing you how to do this. I think I'll probably go down just a little bit. Okay, they're going to choose both of those, see if that's good enough. And we're going to choose to center. It's going to put it right in the center, just like that. And then we're going to, you can click down here to slice, or you can right click and hit slice here. Okay, so now we're going to pull that out and pull that out. We're going to get rid of that piece. And then we're going to bring this back over. Not that. Let's undo that one. Put that back. Okay, this piece. I'm going to move this over here. Oh, good gravy. It keeps grabbing the wrong thing. Oh, I just got to move it. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to unlock this because we need to resize it back into like a square. So this is going to be the body of the bag topper. And we're going to put it somewhere in the middle. And you can see where the scallops right here. Put it right there. And then we're going to choose both. And then we're going to align center. So I moved it over just a little bit. And that doesn't look like it's 90 degrees. But anyway, that's good. So now we're going to weld this piece. And there you have that. Now again, we're going to right click, duplicate. And then we're going to go ahead and flip it vertical. I'm just going to flip that up. And then we're going to bring this up and have it touching. Let's bring it down. How far you want? Not too much. I want to make it so that it doesn't have any openings. Okay. Then I'm going to choose these pieces. Wait, it moved. Let's move this down just a little bit. Let's see. I guess that's good. Okay. I'm going to choose both of those. I'm going to choose to align center horizontally. That's it. And then we're going to weld. And there's your pieces. One big piece. And then we're going to again go to shapes. Choose to score line. And then we're going to choose that, and this time I'm going to go ahead and type in 90 degrees to turn it, and then we're going to move this up here, select both, align center, and then we're going to attach, and that's your bag topper. That's how you do that one. And you pretty much do this, the one with the butterfly, with any shape the same way. Now, I don't have to worry about breaking down and buying any of those dies, where I can make my own and in any size. Okay, so that's how you make that bag toppers on your Cricut, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions or any other requests for other videos, just let me know. And please like and subscribe my channel and this video. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.